Hello, I'm Beatrice, and I'm training for this new task about using Poodle on Moodle. I'm not sure I got for the Reach editor right, so I'm going to try to get this one right. To record, if I understand well, something with Poodle and insert it on my on Moodle, what I have to do is first I type a topic, for example, attempt at Poodle, and then I would go to I have a choice between microphone or video, or I can also write something or draw something. Record a video. I'm not very keen on showing myself or selfies, so I can record an audio or I can record an MP3 that I will insert somewhere later. So let's try the audio to see how it works. Here we are. So I get a little frame asking me if they can use my microphone. Of course, I can't make any audio without a microphone. Here we go, it's allowed. And then I can start the recording like, hello, my name is Beatrice. I'm an aviation English teacher in Brazil. I've been teaching for 20, maybe 28 years now. And I still love it. I don't get tired of it, especially nowadays that I can join my two passions, which are teaching and aviation. So teaching aviation English is fabulous. So here is my little recording. I will stop it here. Yeah, stop here. I can play it to see if I'm happy. Hello, my name is Beatrice. I'm an aviation English teacher in Brazil. I've been teaching for 20, maybe 28 years now, and I still love it. I don't get tired of it, especially nowadays that I can join my two passions, which are teaching and aviation. So teaching aviation English is fabulous. So here is my little recording. I will stop it here. Yeah, stop. Okay, so far it doesn't sound too bad, so I can upload it. I think so. Let me check. It's uploading. And then I suppose once it's uploaded, I can insert it here. And in my on my new topic, I got it. Then if you want to listen to it, you click on it and it will get there. Oops. All I have to do then is post to the forum. Let's see. I hope I can delete that after. See you. And stop the recording here.